don't know how you came into my life, like a river that crosses without a sound. When the world spoke to me with empty words, you were the void, the light in my abyss. So many times you doubted staying near, and still we built a shelter warm and near. You're not of gold nor noble blood, but you're the truest blessing I've ever known. It's you, the reason that calms all my storms. It's you, the promise that never breaks my soul. Though you scream you won't, I know you by heart, because you are all my story. I don't care if you hide from the day, I will find you in the coldest night. Lena, you know there's no path or line that could keep me from your resting skin.